Sydney, the most beautiful city in the world. Its harbours are clean and beautiful, the beaches are white and sandy. But if you're looking for a change of pace, why not travel with Bench International, a brand new company specialising in Africa? So, head left across the Indian Ocean and explore the African continent with Bench International. See lions, elephants, rhinos and more with Bench International and explore the African continent the way it should be done.
Good evening. Not too many people in the world can say that they are African experts since 1969. To the entire team at Bench Africa, congratulations, and from all of us at Sabi Sabi Private Game Reserve, happy 50th anniversary.
Congratulations, Bench Africa.
Hi guys, Dustin Kennedy here from Vic Falls Safari Lodge.
Happy 50th anniversary, Bench Africa.
Congratulations, Bench Africa.
Bench Africa! Anniversary!
Celebrate!
We celebrate! We celebrate!
Happy birthday, Bench!
Happy birthday!
Wow! 50 years!
Happy anniversary, Bench.
Thank you so much. You've been amazing.
Happy 50th anniversary.
Dankeschön.
Siyabonga.
So, to the chairman, Mr. Mike Kirkland, Miss Julie DiPaolo, and Mr. Martin Edward, and the entire Bench team, we thank you for your continued support and congratulations on this milestone. Here's to 50 more golden years to come. Cheers.